Today we have wooden number blocks. We have wooden numbers 1 to 10. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first number is number 1. This is number 1. The next number is number 2. Where is number 2? This is number 2. Number 2. The next number is number 3. Where is number 3? This is number 3. Number 3. 3. The next number is number 4. This is number 4. Number 4. The next number is number 5. This is number 5. Number 5. The next number is number 6. This is number 6. The next number is number 7. This is number 7. The next number is 8. Number 8. And 9. Number 9. The next number is number 10. This is number 10.